Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to recover your deleted WhatsApp message. So if you want to get back all your WhatsApp message you have deleted, maybe for some reasons you wish to go through them again, so this is what you have to do. This is my WhatsApp message. I have deleted some of the chats from most of the message. So if I want to see those chats that I have deleted, what I have to do is this. I have to go out from my WhatsApp, head straight to the settings of my phone. So let's go to my settings. Okay, so on my settings I'll go straight to notifications. Okay, on notification I'll tap on advanced settings. So on advanced settings, tap on notification history. Voila, all the message I have been deleting. Okay, you can see I have different set of message from my WhatsApp, from my Telegram, from my Android system, and then so on. So you just have to go through them and select the particular message that you wish to view. Okay, if you come to my WhatsApp here, it will take you head straight to your WhatsApp to see those messages that you deleted. So you can just go through them and then view them the way you want to view them again. So that is it on how to recover your deleted messages on WhatsApp. So if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thanks for watching.